Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today, the 17th of January. So we do have some data coming out for the DAX today. We've got German CPI coming out this morning, which probably explains why we are just hovering here, big up, big down, big confusion, just going sideways. But the trend line has broken, but this could be a case of trend range move to the upside. So the daily was pretty much a range bar, not quite a shooting star, but an inside bar. We're very tired at the moment. You can see the oscillators all group the upside. So that just indicates that we are overbought quite a bit right now. So if we just start drilling down from a 3-hour perspective, we're still in an upward trend. We're above the moving averages. Oscillators easing off quite nicely. They are separating, which is a fairly interesting indication at the moment. The closest bit of structure we have right now on the 3-hour is all the way down here at 15.022. That would be a half decent area to pay attention to at the moment. And then if you start drilling down to the 1-hour, you can see we had a bit of a rally and then we fell. Didn't quite get support. I would have expected us to get support along here. We closed below the support level, so I would be a little bit reluctant to be looking for anything at the moment. You can see nothing on the oscillator that's helping us, nothing really going on, so I think we're waiting for that bit of data to come out. There's a bit more data coming out in Germany today as well through the morning, but I think CPI is going to be the one that we are definitely waiting for. So moving on to the 15-minute, you can see above and below the moving averages flat. This is essentially a range. So what you should probably do is do that and pay attention to these highs from yesterday, which is 15.159, and these lows from yesterday, which is 15.112. So break below, then you're probably heading down to the structure that we've got here, and that is at 15.022, possibly even 1500 as well. There's quite a bit of structure here you can see, which we would be looking to. And then the converse of that would be a break above 15.152, and we're going to continue our merry journey to the upside. So yeah, I wouldn't do anything until the CPI data has come out. Pay attention to the CPI data. CPI data comes in flat, flat to good. You probably expect this to continue on its journey. If it comes in bad, then I would expect a deeper pullback. A deeper pullback for me is not a sell all, we're falling to the floor situation. It's more of a case of a half decent pullback onto structure before building another base for a similar move to the upside. So that's kind of the view that we've got at the moment. If you look at the weekly, it's 2 strong weeks in a row. Crossovers starting to happen here. We've broken through the neckline of a pretty strong inverse head and shoulders here. We've got a weekly close above it. That validates it to me. We can even pull back and retest it before moving this year. That's also fine. But it's onwards and upwards until it's not. And as far as I'm concerned, it doesn't matter which time frame you look at, everything is pointing to the upside. I mean, look at the strong start we've had to the year. I don't see the data being a major issue at the moment. Even if it is, it's a half decent pullback in an uptrend to 14,676 for you to build another position and then start moving to the upside. So that's kind of my view at the moment. This inverse head and shoulders is definitely in play, and that's what we should be paying attention to. So you're looking for opportunities to buy. There is no reason to be shorting this on the higher time frames. Granted, you'll have situations on the 5 and 15 minute that you may see opportunities to short, but in my experience, I make way more money just following the trend. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view today. I hope it helps, and just pay attention to those levels. You should get a pretty decent trade this morning on the DAX. Anyway, we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.